Alright guys, what's going on? So this we're back to another vlog. So this is basically me installing my overfenders. This is my first time doing this. So feel free to judge me. I don't really care. I really don't care. It's my first time doing them. I wasn't gonna pay someone to do them, so I just tried to do it myself. I actually had a pretty good intro for this video, but I was just flipping through my videos. Memory card was full, and I accidentally erased the intro to this video. So let's just get the video started now. Alright guys, so the car's on all 4 jack stands. Now I'm gonna take off the wheels and then start cutting it up. So I'll show you guys once I start cutting and all that. Alright guys, so I have marked up where the overfender is gonna be sitting. I don't know if you guys can see right there. Where is it at? Oh, it's right there. So right there. And then I already marked up where I'm gonna cut. I don't know if you guys can see because of the sun, but whatever. So I'm just gonna make it quick for you guys. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me cutting it, and then I'll show you guys what's the next step after you cut this part out. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I just cut it off. Now the next step is we're gonna basically just do some like slides right here. So just do a couple cuts right here, and then after you do that, you're just gonna fold these pieces back up, and then I'll show you guys what's after that. So let's do it. So I just did all the cuts. So basically you just want to cut, just make straight lines, and then you're gonna want to fold these up. So basically you're gonna fold them up, hammer them a little bit, and then I'll show you guys what to do right after that. Alright guys, so basically once you guys have brought those back up, you bring them up, and then you just want to throw a little bit of paint on them just so it won't rust. I don't have a welder, or else I'd stitch weld them real quick, but I'm just gonna put some. I've seen a lot of people do it like that, so I'm just gonna do it like that as well, where they just put Gorilla Tape around it, and then after that, just basically just start putting on the overfender and all that stuff. So I'll show you guys what it looks like after I put the tape, and then when I start putting the overfender. So it's all taped off. This is how it looks once it's taped off, and then basically from this you're pretty much done with that, and now you just gotta bolt on the overfender, and that's it. Alright guys, so the overfender is on. I'm not a big fan when they put a bunch of screws on them, so I just put that one, and those obviously just being held up by the skirt, but I put that one, and then these two right here, the one on the edge, and then the 2 bottom ones. I mean, let me show you guys. There's like some gaps right here. I'm not a big fan of that either, but I think I'm just gonna get some 3M tape and then just see if it holds. If not, then I'm gonna have to put more screws, but but that's pretty much it. I need to do some adjusting so I can get the right fitment that I want. So this side is done, and then I'll work on the other side, and then once the car's complete, I'll show you guys what's the end result. Alright guys, so it's all done. I'm all done. This is how it looks. The car finally looks like any other 240. I'll take it outside right now and I'll try to get some cinematics for you guys, but this is pretty much it. That's how it looks. I don't know if something's rubbing, fool. I don't know if it's the... What, do you want to drive it real quick? It feels weird.
Get me by surprise.
Huh?
Get me by surprise right there.
What?
The burnout. I wouldn't tell the difference, so I don't drive it.
Nah, you'll be able to tell, fool. Watch, take it for a spin.
Is it the back or the front?
That's just white as hell. Sorry for the messy hair, guys, but I don't know, something feels weird. I don't know, something feels kind of loose when I'm driving. I don't know what it is, so probably have to check it back out again. Damn, this guy. Man, this guy can't drive or what? Damn, that thing looks sexy though. Turn it off?
Oh, what the fuck? No power steering?
Nah, no power steering.
I couldn't get that shit.
Nah?
No, I forgot about it. And I was doing it easy and I was like, fucking shit.
Go.
Oh, you fucking knock. Seems like on the back.
Seems like something's loose, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think it could be?
Like, I know, might be the back.
The what?
I felt it on the back.
But you can't tell what side, huh?
Nah, cause it's like it's bouncing like. That's how I feel when I put the fucking the 5 mil, the 5 mil, on the back of the spacer on mine. Feels bouncy like that.
You think it's the? You think it's the spacer?
I think it has to be.
Retighten it or what?
Yeah.
Just make sure.
Just make sure that everything's tight.
Damn, mission. I already put everything away, fool. And then to lift it up again. I'm probably gonna leave it for another day. I'm not gonna drive it anyway, so
nothing should happen.
it's just gonna be standing anyways,
That
huh?
shit fucked me up, fool.
What?
No power steering.
Why?
What the fuck? Fuck my. I don't drive without pocket. I could've moved the fucking wheel, fool. I was like, what the fuck?
Hey, I finally left my own marks right here, though.
That shit got me by surprise, fool, so I don't know how that shit came out.
What?
The burnout.
Damn, fool. I did it just for the grind, because they always tell me, oh, when are you going to take it out drifting and this and that? And it's just, I don't have time, you know, but.
I feel like I could have gotten a fucking better shot.
Nah. It was out of surprise too, though.
That's how I was like,
Where were you at? Were you right here when you.
Right behind you.
Were you recording it, though?
Yeah. Everything.
Damn. So that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, something does feel like it's loose, so I don't know. I'm about to check that out, but I mean, I'm just kind of tired already, so I'll probably leave that for another week. Either way, I don't drive the car throughout the week, so I'm probably gonna take out my wheels, make sure that everything's tight. I know it has nothing to do with the front. I know it has to be in the back, so I'm gonna take off the back wheels and make sure everything's tight. So we'll see what's up with that. But other than that, I think I fell in love with the car again. The way it rolls, like I seen it rolling right now, I was in love again. So, oh man. But that's pretty much it, guys. So I guess this will conclude with today's video of me installing the overfender. So we'll see what's up with the next plug. I'll see what I can get for you guys. I really want to get some seat time, so we'll see when I can get some seat time. But other than that, thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't mind my messy hands. So peace out, guys. See you guys till next time.